Hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Let's see what we can harvest today. I want to make a breakfast sandwich. I like to have tomato on it, so I'm going to harvest a few tomatoes. Got two more to bring you guys. See if I can bring you down. I've gotten most of them. It's a few more. Got these. And there's a This is all I'll get today. Let's see if there's any peppers. Okay, I see a couple of peppers I can take. They're okay. Right, I don't see any jalapenos. Okay, this is a nice little harvest. I got a cucumber, 2 mini bell peppers, and how many tomatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Got some like cherry tomatoes, Romas, Homestead, and San Marzanos. All right. So, you know, July, it's hot in July. I mean, it's hot for the garden. So this is July. This is when we get our biggest harvest for the summer garden, okay? All right, let's go in. I'm gonna wash these up and slice one up for my sandwich. Okay, guys, I'm making a quick breakfast. And I like tomato, lettuce and tomato on my sandwich, breakfast or not. And I just got back from my doctor's appointment, and my numbers are good. I turned it around. So in my haul videos, my grocery hauls, you won't see me having any more sodas, no chips. That's pretty much all I changed. So in 30 days, blood sugar went down normal. My fasting is under 100. Blood pressure went down, and just eating out of the garden pretty much. Eating lean protein, mostly chicken, which is fine with me. So this is my harvest of the day. It's beautiful. I got out there like 8:30 in the morning. Okay, so I'm going to have avocado toast. I'm going to have lettuce, tomato. I have a chicken sausage I want to eat up. I'm not throwing away anything that I already have, but just kind of making it a little healthier, because there's a lot of sodium in these sausages. Okay, so you just eat it with everything. Nothing else has sodium in it. Okay, so I have avocado. I got some everything bagel seasoning. There's a lot of salt on this, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to sift some of this salt off of it. I have my toast and my sausage on the stove right now. You guys probably didn't hear me. I have my toast and sausage on the stove right now. And I sliced up a tomato from the garden. This is lettuce from my indoor garden. And avocado. I have a stick of celery. And so when my toast and sausage heat up, I'll pull it all together. Okay, I toasted my Ezekiel bread, one slice. I have lettuce. I'm gonna sprinkle everything bagel seasoning. Here's my avocado slices. Chicken sausage. And I'm going to eat it open face, just like this. That's all I need. And I'm rinsing off my harvest. So guys, okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me for my harvest of the day. And this has been such a great help. Growing my own vegetables have been such a good help to my health. You always hear me talk about blood sugar management and all that stuff. It really works. I just drink water and eat mostly whole foods. And I add a little lean protein as needed. And in 30 days, I lost 8 pounds. I didn't exercise anymore. All I did, no sodas, no chips, no cheese. Everything else I kept the same. And I lost 8 pounds, okay? So, like, once again, thanks for joining me for my harvest, and I'll be bringing you guys more home and garden content, okay? Thank you so much. And this is a nice breakfast with a lot of fiber and good quality protein, okay? See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Mom.